Morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Birla Tire. So it was also recommended in the comment section, so I decided to make a video on it. So in the previous videos we have discussed about R Power as well as Magma FinCorp and Shimaro Entertainment. So people who have not watched the video can definitely watch it. In that video we discuss complete technicals as well as levels, and both of the stocks are in upper circuit. So whenever any upper circuit or lower circuit stock has a movement, I'm immediately updating it in the community section. So if you press the bell icon only, you can get those notification and you can add in small quantities. So in this video we'll discuss the complete picture of Birla Tires and we'll try to find out can we hold this share and can we add in small quantities. So watch the video till the end, and people who have not yet subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So if we see the basic shareholding, we can see that promoters are having a good amount of 55.89 and current pledging is around 44.82. Okay, so why pledging? Because we know that the company has huge loans and debt, so that was the reason why the promoter had pledged his share in order to clear the debt. So we know that current debt on this company is 1000 crores, and once this debt is removed, the company will generate profits and it will have a good movement in future. So if you see the returns of the company, we know that in 3 months it has given almost 1000% returns, and in 1 month 93.44% return. So huge returns was given by this company, and we know that now it's in correction mode and we should not panic at this particular point. Just when you're invested for long term, just invest it and just leave it. Okay, only invest in small quantities. Okay, small quantities also give good returns. Don't think that small quantity means you'll get only less returns. Small quantity also gives huge returns. Never keep in mind that only when we invest 1 lakh 2 lakh we'll get heavy returns and will become and you'll earn in crores. So that sort of thinking should not be there. Even in Bajaj Finance, if you have invested around 1000 rupees at that point also, today you could have made so much money. Okay, so never ever think small amount is we can say not good. So almost 3 months 1000% returns it has given. So let us find out what actually happened with this company. So we know that LIC shopping list in March quarter, we can see it has added Birla Tires, almost 3.5% stake has been added. Okay, so why it has added 3.5% stake? We know that for time pass nobody invests 3.5% stake. So whenever an organization feels that it has good future, then only they will add. Yes or no? So when this company belongs to tire segment, which is evergreen segment, we know that each and every automobile requires tire. Without automobile, nothing can move on road. Yes or no? So tire segment is evergreen, and we need to add in small quantities. We know that major leaders like Apollo, MRF, C8 as well as JK tires, after that Birla tires. So these are the major tire producing, and each and every stock has a good future. We need to remember that point, and we should not sell any holdings. Just we need to be patient. If somebody comes and take over this particular company to clear the debt as well as generate profit, then definitely it will have a good movement. So we need to have patience. You should not do any selling, and you should not go impatient, and you should not continuously add funds. So that all things you should not do for a few days. So we'll discuss on charts also what you need to do in this share. Next when we see Kesoram Industries Limited. So when Birla Tire was part of Kesoram Industries, okay, we know that the company had a 3000 crore debt, and when they started splitting, so the debt also split between these two companies, and you know that both the stocks are now in a particular downtrend. So mainly when we focus Birla Tires, it has a 1000 crores debt. Okay, so another negative thing of this company is that it has not declared is quarter 1 and quarter 4 results. Okay, quarter 4 results are not yet come. So firstly it should report that, then only we can say anything about this stock right now. But after it declares quarter 4 results, only after looking into that result, then only we can have fresh positions in that stock. Till that time you should not sell any of your holding, just hold patiently. Now we'll see on technicals what we can see about this stock. So in technicals, we can see that almost all the indicators are showing that it is in overbought as well as a neutral zone and still is in positive trend. So let it come to oversold region. So when it comes to oversold region only, we need to have a fresh position. So let us look it on charts. So when we see on charts, we can see that currently the stock is in downtrend, and we can see the pivot points. Okay, so we can see one price is at 36 and another will be this particular level. So if it fills the gap, after filling the gap, then there can be a positive retrieval also. So we need to focus on those levels also. Okay, so when it starts moving into upper circuit, definitely it will have some movement. So buyers will be there, sellers also will be there. So if any such sort of movement happens, so definitely I'll update it in the community section. Okay, for right now we need to focus on these 33, 35 as well as 30 levels. Okay, these are the pivot points also for this. So once the gap filling occurs, we need to look out whether it will have a retrieval or not. That will be our main focus. Another important observation is that still it is in a overbought region only. It needs more correction and it needs to go to oversold region. So once it goes to oversold region and stays for some time, then definitely we can add in small quantities. Okay, nothing to panic, hold it patiently. So somebody or other will definitely take some little stake and they'll generate profit for this company so that it will have a good future. Okay, don't panic when you're into investing. Invest it for long period of time, don't do short term trading. Okay, so this is all about Birla Tyres. So in the next videos we'll discuss about another share. Okay, until then, take care, bye bye.